Now let's talk about the melodic minor scale. Now when we're talking about the melodic minor scale, there's the ascending and descending. So when it ascends, when it goes up, is one version, and then when it descends, it becomes a different version. So when going up from a melodic minor, the ascending version, I have this: A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, and A. So as you can see, it differs from the natural minor in terms it has a raised 6th and 7th scale degree. So I have two scale degree that's raised. So it's going to give me this whole step, half step pattern. I got a whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. So this will give me the whole step, half step pattern for ascending melodic minor scale. If I write it out here, it looks like this. Now let's talk about the melodic minor descending. This is the melodic minor descending. As you can see, the difference is that my 7th and 6th scale degree is lowered back. So now I have a backwards natural minor scale. So here is my whole step, half step pattern for that. Whole, whole, half, whole, half, whole. Or the natural minor pattern backwards. The easiest way to think about this is when I'm ascending, I have my natural minor with the raised 6th and 7th scale degree. And then I lower it back the 7th and 6th scale degree when I descend. So this is what it looks like when coming back down. So let me play for you the ascending melodic minor and then the descending. So remember, the ascending has A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, A, and coming back down is A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. So here's ascending and descending. And now I'm going to lower the 7th and 6th scale degree. And there is our ascending and descending melodic minor scale. Let's do an example of ascending, descending melodic minor scale. Let's say I'm given this C to C. So how can we make this into a melodic ascending minor scale? Well, I could follow the whole step, half step formula. So here is my ascending melodic minor formula. I need a whole step, then a half step. So C to D is a whole step, D to E is a whole, so I need a half step. So I'm going to lower my E to E flat. So now I have a half step. E flat to F is a whole step. F to G is a whole step. G to A is a whole step. A to B is a whole step. And B to C is a half step. So here is my ascending melodic minor starting on C as my tonic or keynote. This is what it looks like going ascending. Now remember, now we're going to do a descending one, and when we do that, we're going backwards. So I am going to have my 7th and 6th scale degrees lowered. So I can keep this and just lower my 7th and 6th scale degree, and that'll give me a descending melodic minor. So now I have a descending C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. But remember, we're going to lower the 7th and the 6th scale degree, and then we also had the E was lowered as well to E flat. So this fits the formula for my descending natural minor scale. Remember, it's the descending melodic minor, the natural minor scale backwards. Here's what it looks like. Now here is it written in the staff. So that's an example of how we could get an ascending and descending melodic minor scale. So now I'm going to play it and we can hear it. So first, the ascending C melodic minor scale. And descending. And there you have it. So remember that in terms of the minor scales, melodic minor, you have two different versions. One going up, the ascending, and the one coming back down, descending. Whereas the natural and harmonic minor scale, it's the same going up and coming back down.